How to spin the wheel on Temu app. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can spin the wheel from Temu app. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's start on how we can do it. So in order to spin the wheel on Temu app, first of all, you need to launch your Temu app and log in into your account. And there must be an offer going on like spin the wheel on your home screen. You can see this offer going on right now, new user gift. If you also had the same offer of spinning the wheel on your screen, you just need to tap on this win $200 spin to win challenge. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, this will appear on your screen. You just need to hit on the spin option. After that, you'll be receiving a coupon bundles from this 4 options, one of them. After that, when you spin it, right now I received $200 coupons. So I'm just gonna get that 200 coupons, and remember that once you can only spin the wheel once in the 24 hours. You only had that a chance of spinning the wheel once in the 24 hours. Otherwise, there is another option. What you can do is after tapping on get now and going on the process of receiving the coupon as a gift, you're just gonna head over to your me tab at the bottom, at the U tab at the bottom on your home screen. After going there, when you go to the next page, here you'll be able to see on credits and free gifts option on your screen. So you're just going to tap on that option. After tapping on it, you'll be receiving different kind of challenges here, which will give you a chance to spin your wheel. So let's just go with one of them. And when I go with one of them, which is refer and earn, you can see this. What you need to do in order to get that spin offer, you just need to refer this Temu application to one of your friends. After that, if that friend downloads the app and create your account on Temu, you will be getting a chance to spin a wheel within 24 hours. So therefore, just follow that method, and after that, spin the wheel and receive one of the gifts that you may get, and you should be done. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to spin the wheel on Temu app very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.